Hello, and this is a keychain COB light unboxing and a quick overview. There'll be a full in-depth review later. On one side it's showing operation, micro USB charging. No, it uses Type C, they printed that wrong. Bottle opener and mini size, okay? Made in China, just like everything else. If you want to buy one of these, just go on AliExpress and type in, as it says here, or just keychain COB light. Multi-function. Box is a bit dented, but that is not an issue. Dented box doesn't mean the item is dented inside. Inside you get a crappy charging cable, which is Type C. This is going straight in the bin. You get instruction manual, don't need that, in the bin. Wrapped in bubble wrap, you got the light. There is a protective film on it. Let's get some satisfying ASMR. Can we do that? No, we can't. Hold on, let me do this off camera. Alright, got the tip started. Let's peel it off. Good enough. Not too satisfying, but that will do. Power button. Oh, it looks like we do have some charge on it. How to get seizures. USB charging port, which is Type C. Magnet on the back. And that's about it. A quick unboxing and overview. So yeah, quick unboxing overview of this COB Keychain flashlight. COB Keychain light. Keychain COB light. Anyways, if you want to buy this, go search up on AliExpress. Exactly that, yeah.